Good afternoon once again. I think we are all set. We're ready? So welcome to the Supreme Court for the release of the results of the 2025 bar examinations. A very warm welcome to our future lawyers who are gathered here and to those joining us online through the Facebook pages and YouTube accounts as well as Supreme Court website of the Philippines. So I am Attorney Mike Navalio, Chief Communications Officer, and I will be facilitating our program this afternoon. So at this point, I would like to acknowledge the presence of the Chief Justice, the Senior Associate Justice, and the Associate Justices of the Supreme Court of the Philippines. Good afternoon, Your Honors. Please rise for the singing of the national anthem and the ecumenical prayer.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Kayang mag-ibig, telas ng silanganan, alam ng puso, sa titik mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, kuya ka ng magiting, sa manlulupin, di ka pasisingin, sa dagatang tutok sa simoy at sa langit mong pagaw, ay hinagang tula, kawin sa paglayang minamahal, ang isang ng matawad mo'y tagumpay na nagtitindig, ang bituin at araw niya kailan pa may di magtitindig, luman ang araw ng walhagit pagsinta, buhay langit sa piling mo. Ang inigaya ng pagkay mga aking, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
Almighty God, we stand in your holy presence as our supreme judge,
We humbly beseech you to bless and inspire us,
so that what we think, say, and do will be in accordance with your will. Enlighten our minds, strengthen our spirit,
and fill our hearts with fraternal love, wisdom, and understanding, so that we can become effective channels of truth, justice, and peace.
in our proceedings today, guide us in the path of righteousness for the fulfillment of your greater glory. Amen.
Please take your seats. Good afternoon once again to our Chief Justice, Senior Associate Justice, Associate Justices of the Supreme Court of the Philippines, our court officials, friends from the media, and our future lawyers. I won't keep you waiting. It is my honor to introduce to you the 2025 Bar Examinations Chairperson, Associate Justice Ami C. Lazaro Javier.
Thank you very much, Attorney Mike. I literally feel tall. Good afternoon, everyone. Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. lalong-lalo na sa aking pinakamamahal na bar babies. At ang kanilang mga mahal sa buhay, na alam ko narito kayo ngayon, whether in person or are we online? Okay, or online this afternoon. Perhaps some of you have been here patiently waiting for the release of the results since this morning. Totoo ba? Oo, kumain na ba kayo? Oo, kasi pag hindi pa kayo kumain, kumain na kayo muna. I am truly happy to see each one of you. Thank you for being here. The day we have been dreaming of together has finally arrived. I have been with you in this incredible and difficult journey from the very first step. I was with you, watching you, cheering you up on either physically or in spirit on September 7, 10, and 14, when 11,425 of you bravely took the bar exams in 14 local testing centers across Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. During these 3 days, I was inspired and humbled after witnessing your grit, determination, and faith as you kept aiming for excellence. Despite the challenges, despite the setbacks, despite the fear, the doubt, the anxiety, you showed up. You gave it your all. You cast the dice that determines your fate today. And since the final day of the bar examinations, like you, I have also spent the last 115 days in torturous wait, filled with sleepless nights, relentless prayers, and an excited, determined, and hopeful heart that for many, rather than for a few, today will mark the fulfillment of your dreams and the answered prayers of the village it took to raise you as lawyers. Truly, nothing fills me more with joy than sharing this momentous, highly anticipated, and very important day with no less than with you. But before we proceed, please allow me to thank everyone whose help has been indispensable in the successful conduct of the 2025 bar examinations. God the Almighty, and all the angels and saints, and the community that prayed for us and the bar. Marami pong salamat. Sa lahat ng ating pamilya at kaibigan, marami pong salamat. Sa lahat ng ating pamilya at kaibigan, muli, marami pong salamat. Marami kayo dito. Chief Justice Alexander Jesmundo, Chief. Senior Associate Justice Marvic MVF Leonen. Saj, another Chief. Honorable Associate Justice Benjamin S. Kagiwa, Chief. Thank you po. Associate Justice Ramon Paul L. Hernando, another Chief. Associate Justice Henry John Paul Inting, who's very happy today because he's very happy for 3 good reasons. And you would know later why. Okay. Associate Justice Rodil V. Salameda, Associate Justice and the 2026 Bar Chairperson, the awesome Samuel H. Garland. And after him comes Associate Justice Ricardo R. Rosario, whose hashtag might just be magrosaryo na kayo. Honorable Associate Justice Josep Y. Lopez. Okay, Justice Japardi Maampaw is here, but just the same, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to him. Associate Justice Japar Di Maampaw. Associate Justice Maidas Marquez. Associate Justice Antonio Co. Jr., but he excused himself. I'll tell you why later. Okay. She's not here, but you know, in the court, I have a twin. My twin because she's the only other woman in the court. And we share the same values, the same sentiments, and many more similar. The things that that are very important to us, the same principles, the same advocacy for women, children, gender, environment, human rights, and all. She's not here today, but I would like to mention and give due recognition to my twin, Associate Justice Maria Filomena Singh. And of course, he is the Benjamin of the court, but his name is not Benjamin. His name is Associate Justice Raul B. Villanueva. Thank you, Your Honors, for your support, which has not stopped pouring in since I transitioned into the role of 2025 Bar Chairperson. Whatever success we enjoy in today's modern bar examinations is only possible as I stand on the shoulders of the previous bar chairpersons who implemented amazing innovations every year. My deep gratitude likewise goes to the court officials and personnel who are seated here in front. Maraming salamat sa inyo. The volunteers, the law school dean, some of them are here present. Thank you. The local testing centers, of course, my alma mater, the UST, which serve as the 2025 Bar General Headquarters, and especially the members of the 2025 Bar Chairperson's Office, led by my best bar head, Attorney Micaela Billones Vitug. Where are you, Mika? Mika, can you join us here? Hindi pa to natutulog, kagabi pa. Mika, maraming salamat. Kung ano na man meron tayo, everything was seamless, everything was perfect. There was no, hindi ko lang ma-attribute sa iyo, walang rain. Hindi tayo inulan, everything was duly attended to. It's because of Mika Billones Vitug and my team. Thank you, Mika. Everyone took on this year and a half journey with us since the release of Bar Bulletin number 1 in September 2024 to the release of the results today. They have truly ensured that our examinees were given the most suitable platform as they face this Herculean task. More than anything, I wanted the bar exams to be just and fair, both as a rigorous test for future lawyers and as a safeguard for the public, as the legal profession remains a public service. With this in mind, I set specific, uniform, and strict guidelines in grading the answers, as disclosed in Bar Bulletin Number 4. Every answer was scored depending on accuracy, clarity, conciseness, logic, and grammar. Even the magical question number 20 on SPJI was not just a giveaway. The answer to this question was subjected to the same standard of accuracy, clarity, conciseness, logic, and grammar. Question number 20 was meant to prepare the examinees to be proactive members of the legal profession. After all, every lawyer plays an active role in bringing the various programs and initiatives under the SPJI to life. Hence, the hashtag A Just Bar awaits you. This standard would not have been met without the dedication of our examiners, who are not only among the most competent lawyers in their fields, but have also been my soulmates in public service. Please allow me to introduce the brilliant and hardworking examiners of the 2025 bar examinations. Are you excited to know? Okay. For political and public international law, retired Sandigan Presiding Justice Amparo M. Cabotahetang. RTC Judge Cleto Villacorta III. Attorney Blesilda Abad Gamo. And Attorney Professor Eduardo S. Natura Jr. The terrors. Okay. You know, 3 of them were my colleagues in the office of the Solicitor General. And one of them is the son of one of the best Solicitors General we ever had. Hulaan nyo na kung sino sila. For commercial and tax laws. Okay, my bar babies, are you happy with commercial and tax laws? Yes. Ba't ang konti nang nagsasabing yes? Nahihiya sila. Okay, number 1 on the list is retired Court of Tax Appeals Associate Justice Esperanza Fabon Victorino. My classmate and also my colleague in the Office of the Solicitor General. Okay. This one is, I think, the youngest among the examiners. She is no other than, hulaan nyo, RTC Judge Cherry Kiara Hernando, Quezon City, Commercial Court. You know the husband. The husband is Justice Ramon Paul Hernando. Then we have a professor of law in UST, also a bar top-notcher. And the current Chief of Staff of the present Governor of Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, Attorney Prudence Angelita Casala. Okay. And, you know, this person, we've come full circles many times. He became my student in UST Pay High School. Imagine. Then he also became my student in UST College of Law. Then he became my colleague in the UST. Then he became my colleague also in OSG rather, and then UST. Ilang beses na kami nagbalikan nito, but we never broke up. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Attorney Professor Amado Tayag. Para kami magkaklase. For civil law, okay, top on the list is one of our favorites, retired Supreme Court Senior Associate Justice. You know, I always want to call her the perfect gentlewoman. Senior Associate Justice Estela Perlas Bernabe. Age is just a number. Ito, he is my former colleague in the Office of the Solicitor General. One of the brilliant minds I know in the arts. Also, it's a given that he is also brilliant in law. Okay, but ito grabe yung art nito, he is a writer, he used to be a writer ng Mongolian Barbecue. Stand-up ko, hindi ito mawawala ng trabaho. Hindi rin magugutom ito. Okay? I am honored to present to you ang tawag nila, multifaceted, okay, talent, Justice, Court of Appeals, Ronaldo Roberto Martin. And then, attorney, professor, one of the sought-after reviewers in civil law, a top-notch lawyer and also a top-notcher in the bar examination. Attorney Carla Santamaria Senia. And another, by the way, Attorney Carla is also a top-notcher. And another top-notcher is Attorney Philbert Varona. For labor and social legislations. I'm so sorry that that retired Court of Appeals presiding justice, now Special Prosecutor Mariflor Punzalan Castillo, cannot join us today, but she will join us during the oath-taking. Then, ito, grabing icon nito. He's been a friend for the longest time, since OSG days. He might be the most senior among the bar examiners, but he was the first to finish checking. Okay. Retired Court of Appeals Associate Justice Magdangal M. De Leon. And then another one, I have the privilege of sharing full circles many times over since his high school days. Okay. Associate Justice Gabriel Rubeniol. Court of Appeals. And a dear colleague in the Office of the Solicitor General, retired Assistant Solicitor General Renan Ramos. For criminal law, okay. Okay ba kayo sa criminal law? Hindi, ano? Hindi. Malulupit ba ito? Okay. Pero maganda naman yung results ng criminal law. Feeling nyo lang, mahirap. Okay. Court of Appeals Associate Justice Maria Elisa Sempioti. Sandigan Bayan Associate Justice Sarah Jane Fernandez. Also my colleague in the Office of the Solicitor General. And one of the mentees of the Chief Justice during our OSG days. Ito is another mentee in the Office of the Solicitor General, another colleague, may inaanak, Assistant Solicitor General Marisa de la Cruz Galandines. And one of the respectable bankers and commercial law experts in the Philippines, Attorney Fe Tenco Besina Macalino. Lastly, for remedial law, how was your remedial law? Oh, ano ba yan? Rejoice? All right. So, these are the last four who handled remedial law. Court of Appeals Associate Justice Mayra Garcia Fernandez. RTC Judge Mayra Kiambao. Another colleague from the Office of the Solicitor General. Then RTC Judge Virgilio Macaraig. Another OSG colleague. And a respectable author in judicial and legal ethics and forms, Attorney Edwin Carillo. Okay, I'd like to assure you that these examiners have closely worked behind the scenes for over a year, ever mindful of the confidential nature of this undertaking. They have tirelessly endeavored to complete the checking of each and every answer within a limited period of time on top of the demands of their occupations. My bar babies, the moment is almost here. But before that, please spare me a few more minutes with all 11,424 of you, neither yet successful nor unsuccessful, to give you one last short message as your barman. Whatever happens in the next few minutes, I want you all to know I am so proud of each one of you. I see you, all your hard work, your perseverance, and your spirit. You have made me the proudest bar mom I could ever be. Thank you. If I could only pass all of you Believe me, I would. But as it was, all I could do was give you as much guidance as I could. Ensure that the questions were reasonable and your answers graded fairly and objectively. I gave you the best fighting chance I could ever muster without compromising the integrity of the bar examinations. For those whose names will appear on the list today, the court welcomes you into the legal profession with high hopes that you will bear the privilege of this calling with humility, the weight of its responsibility with resolve, and the trust of the public with unwavering integrity. As you celebrate, do not forget to thank God, your families, special others, and friends who have made your success possible. The court has reserved the biggest venue for your oath-taking. And roll signing on February 6, 2026. You know what that venue is? The Philippine Arena. We hope to meet you, your families, your parents, your special others, your loved ones, and your support systems as we welcome you into the legal profession and finally call you by the title you have worked tirelessly for, Attorneys of the Republic of the Philippines. My advance congratulations. For my bar babies, whose names do not appear on the list, my heart goes to you. I know what it is like to give it your all and still not succeed. There is nothing shameful about failing. Do not allow yourself to believe otherwise. So when I tell you that this setback is not the end of the world, you have to believe me. Mothers know best. After all, I will never stop being your bar mom despite the results today. I will remain on this journey with you towards the legal profession. The obstacle of the bar exams cannot begin to measure the strength of your morals, the breadth of your compassion, or the strength of your resolve. It will not be the end of your story, nor the scale upon which your contributions as a member of the legal profession will be measured. So, grieve today. Cry it all out. Feel the pain, relish the sorrow. It's all right. It's part of being human. But my darlings, tomorrow, find the strength to rise again. Wipe the tears away. Pick up the broken pieces. Go out. Try again. In God's perfect time, in His perfect way, you will realize the fulfillment of your hopes and dreams. Always have faith. So soldier on, never stop trying to reach your goal. And when you do, I will stand on the finish line with you, still as your proud bar mom. Now, the moment we have all been waiting for. Thank you for that. Drum roll. It is my honor to present the results of the 2025 bar examinations. This morning, the court approved the passing grade of 75%. A passing grade rather. Hindi yun, hindi passing rate yun Passing grade. Yun, ulitin natin. Ulitin natin. Ha? Okay. This morning, ulitin natin. Edit. Okay. Take 2. The court approved the passing grade of 75% of for the 2025 bar examinations. It means we did not adjust, okay, the passing grade, not the rate. All right. This means that out of 11,420 examinees who completed the bar exams in September 2025, a total of 5,594 are privileged to join the legal profession. This translates to a passing rate, ito na yung passing rate talaga, of 48.98%. With the kind indulgence and permission of the court, may I just skip the top universities? Kasi ang init. Okay? Ang init. Tsaka nag-iinit na rin sila. Gusto na nilang marinig. Okay. Okay. Ang haba kasi, if I will still, excuse me. Okay lang pala. Yes, can I? Okay, I'm a bit under the weather. So later, I would like to ask my dear colleagues to help me announce the top 20. Okay? So, would you like to hear now? Okay. Again? Very good. Yes din ako. Okay, so the court congratulates the bar passers as well as the top 20 passers of the 2025 bar examinations. I will first announce the top 20 to top 13 ba ako? Yes? Oo. Top 20, top 12, or top 13 to top 20. But, top 20 muna, to top 13. Ako yon. Thereafter, I would like to invite my esteemed colleagues in the court here present today to join me in announcing the top 12 to top 1. They have not only been supportive of me and my team since day one, they also tirelessly lent their wisdom and moral support to thousands of bar takers last September as they visited not just the national headquarters, but all the local testing centers, Visayas, Luzon, Mindanao, Metro Manila. Truly, nothing is more fitting than sharing this precious moment with my beloved and admirable colleagues in the court, to whom my bar babies and I owe so much. Let's begin with the announcement of top 20. Rank 20th. Would you like the school first? Okay. From the University of the East, with an average of, ang taas, 89.31. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a round of applause to Ronald Vincent Ofrecio Gonzalez. Ronald, narito ka ba? Can you come forward, Ronald? Ronald. Ronald Vincent Ofrecio Gonzalez. Ronald, come over, please. Okay, sige. O, padaanin niyo si Ronald. Okay. Okay, while we're waiting for Ronald, rank 19th from the University of the Philippines. Oh, ang gagaling nila. Masaya si Saj, Marvic, masaya si Justice Jolo and Justice Raul. Masayahin kasi sila talaga. Okay, hi Ronald. Congratulations. Okay, thank you, Ronald. Thank you. Congratulations. Okay. Okay. With an average of 89.35%. Okay. Chinzen Tanyada Viernes. Okay. Congratulations, UP. Okay. Rank 18th from the best law school in Rockwell. With an average of, dikit-dikit sila, 89.38%. Micaela Francesca Nuarin Abisana. Is she here? She's present? Ah, ayan. Hi! Halika dito. Chinsen. Congratulations, Chinsen. Okay. Congrats. Magbigay galang. Maraming atinista dito. Tuwan-tuwa. Oo. Narito si Vice Dean. Assistant Dean Maita. Oo. Gonzaga. Chan Gonzaga. Tama ba? Chan Gonzaga. And then mga atinista kasi mga Rockwell babies to eh. Okay. The Chief Justice, no less. Justice Kagiwa. Justice Rodil. Justice Rosario. Justice Maidas. Sila lang. And Justice Singh. Okay? Ang konti lang nila, parang 6 lang sila. More than 1/3 of the court. Oh, pero tingnan natin kung may tops talaga sila. Oh, isa na ha. Please do the numbers, the counting. All right. Rank 18th. From the school where shopping is a pleasure. It is in Rockwell again, Ateneo de Manila University, with an average of 89.38%. Oh, nasabi ko na, no? Oo, kasi gusto ko makinig kayo eh. Okay. Rank 17. Okay. Wow. I'm so happy. From Aiden, A-U, ano yun? Again? Arellano University with an average of 89.41. Randall Lipnica Pabilane. Is he here? Okay, Randall. Congratulations, Randall. Congratulations to Arellano. Rank 16 from the University of Santo Tomas, Legazpi. Narito yung top notcher ng 2019 bar ka ba? Ha? Okay. Si Gladys is from University of Santo Tomas, Legazpi, Aquinas with an average of 89.42%. May Angela Damaso Locsin. Oo. Alam mo, Gladys, I hear you. Okay, congratulations. Congratulations, May, Angela, and UST Legazpi Aquinas. Ang pinsan ng UST Manila. Okay. Rank 15. Okay. Hulaan nyo. Okay. Anong hula ng Ateneo? Anong hula ng UP? UP. Okay. UP daw eh. Sabi ni Saj eh. From the University of the Philippines. Ang sarap ng isaw dito. With an average of 89.70%. Ignacio Lorenzo de la Cruz Villarreal. Is he around? Wala siya. Siguro alam na niya. No, Saj? Alam na niya. Si Saj ang pinakamasaya for UP. Okay. Rank 14. Oh my gosh, this is so happy for me and for everyone. Okay, and from Mindanao, so happy. Okay. From Bukidnon State University with an average of 89.71%. Jerilyn Anoos Gascon. Malayo ang Bukidnon, kaya wala siya ngayon dito. Pero, Jerilyn, okay, congratulations sa iyo at congratulations sa Bukidnon State University. Okay, now, rank 13. From the best law school in Diliman, Quezon City, University of the Philippines, with an average of 89.80%. Al Francis Bagadyong Kabungkal. Saj, mukhang hindi pumunta yung mga taga-UP dito. Nagbo-bonfire na ba? Okay. Now, for the top 12, Justice Villanueva, please do the honors. Dito ka, sir.
Thank you. Congratulations again to Justice Ami Lazaro Javier. Palapakan po natin siya.
Thank you.
Rank number 12 from the University of the East with an average of 89.93%. Patrick Kiel Quiroz Navarro.
Is he here? Mukhang narito siya. Can you come up the stage? Hi. Oo, nandyan yata. Si Patrick Kiel. Wala. Thank you, Justice Raul. And for the top 11, Justice ko ba? Hindi pa maka-get over? I will read. Okay. Rank number 11. Oh, narito ba ang mga uli Number 11. Arellano University. with an average of 90.2%. Alan Leo Tabuco Paran. Alan, are you here? Okay, Alan, congratulations. Congratulations, Arellano, nakakadalawa na kayo. Okay. So, for top 10, may I call on Justice Midas to read, to announce the name?
Number 10 from the University of the Philippines with an average of 90.36. It's Yap Jasmine Terian Afable.
Thank you, Justice Midas. Parang masaya ka naman, di ba? Okay. So, rank 10th. We'll call on Justice Jolo Lopez, also from UP. At number 9 na ba? All right. Top 9, Justice Jolo Lopez.
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Para po sa number 9, ibig sabihin, nasa top 10 kayo. At malamang nasa front page kayo bukas ng umaga sa mga pahayagan. So congratulations from the University of La Salette Incorporated with an average of 90.45%. None other than Lucas Richmond Bulag. Congratulations, Attorney Lucas Richmond Bulag.
As
Attorney
well
to be.
as the University of La Salette. So, number 8, rank 8. 8. Okay, for rank 8, let us call the bar chair of 2027, Justice Ricardo Rosario.
Sabi ni Justice Midas, wag mo nang basahin, UP na naman yan. Anyway, before I announce the 8th placer, can I just say hi to Miss Winona Hipolito Castelo. Good luck. I know Winona Hipolito Castelo.
Hi, Winona. Are you around?
Anda.
Wala.
No.
Wala siya.
The name of number 8,
Yes.
with an average of 90.87%
Yes.
from UP, not University of Pangasinan, University of the Philippines, is Marie Chantel Atienza Sarmiento. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Okay. For top 7, Justice Garland. The awesome Justice Garland.
Thank you.
Ang dami mong fans.
Marami.
Oh.
Rank number 7 with an average score of 90.90% from the University of Santo Tomas, Manila.
Yay! Yay!
Come on down, Johan Rafael Silapan Gata.
Yay! Congratulations! My alma mater. Congratulations. Congratulations, Johan Rafael Silapan. Hi, is he here? Can you come up, please? Wow! Wow! Congratulations, Johan. Ha? Oo. Narito parang alam niya Sino kaya sa kanya? Sino kaya nagsabi? Johan. Number 7, Johan. Mga, pwede mo silang kamayan. Okay. Okay. Thank you, John. Congratulations to you. Congratulations to UST Manila. For the top 6, Justice Rodil Zalameda.
Rank number 6, two candidates tied for number 6
Tie. It's a tie.
with an average of 91.25%. First is from the University of San Jose, Recoletos,
Wow, Cebu.
Ompad Joey Loyloy. And from my alma mater, Ateneo de Manila University, Pagia Enrico Gabriel Reyes.
Yay. Congratulations. Congratulations. Okay. For the top 5, Justice Henry Paul Enting. Oh,
Thank
you
you.
tell them, later na lang. Sabihin mo, bakit ka masaya?
I'm
Ang
nervous.
saya-saya mo,
I'm
3
still
times.
I'm nervous because I'm waiting for the results of my two nephews and one niece.
Pero parang confident na siya.
Okay, for the number 5, the University of Santo Tomas, Manila, with an average of 91.58%, Mark Angelo Galvez Santos.
Congratulations. Is Mark around? Congratulations, UST Manila. Okay. And then, may I invite Justice Hernando Mon to announce the top 4?
Congratulations, Justice Ami.
Thank you po.
Ranked number 4 out of more than 11,000 examinees from De La Salle, Lipa.
Wow.
I almost read my name.
Ramon
With an average of 91.68, Mitra Angelica De Castro. Congratulations.
Congratulations, De La Salle pa. Thank you, Justice Mon. Justice Benjamin Kagiwa will announce the top 3. Chief.
From the University of Santo Tomas, Manila, with an average grade of 91.91%, Adviento Eliza Agatep.
Congratulations again, UST. Congratulations. Chief, thank you po. And for the top 2, Saj Marvic Leonen. Please do the honors.
Number 2, from the University of Santo Tomas, Manila, with an average of 92.46%, Spinel Albert Alawigan Declaro.
Is he here? Espinel. Thank you, Chief. Okay. Finally. Okay, are you ready? Okay. The cream of the crop. The top 1 of the 2025 bar examinations. It is my honor to announce the name of this person and the school that this person represents. Hulaan nyo. UP. Ba't parang malungkot ka? UP. UP. Okay. Sino gusto UP? Ang dami ring may gusto ng UP. Sinong gusto Ateneo? Marami din. UST. Ako rin, gusto sana UST eh. But, the first place goes to the best law school in Diliman, Quezon City, with an average of 92.70%. Jen Roniel Ray Timola Sanchez. Jen Roniel, congratulations. UP, congratulations. You have 6 places in the top 20. Congratulations. Finally, by the authority vested in me by the court, as the 2025 bar chairperson, umarap muna kayo sa akin. Okay. The Public Information Office. Kasi hindi naman ito marirelease pag hindi ako natapos. Okay. Is directed to release, upload, and publish the list of the successful examinees of the 2025 bar examinations on the Supreme Court website, all its official communication channels, and in all the LED screens installed in the Supreme Court courtyard. The status and grades of all 2025 bar exam takers will also be available in their respective barista accounts by 6 o'clock in the evening today. Congratulations and see you on February 6 at the Philippine Arena. Maraming salamat.
Congratulations to all who passed, and may I invite at this point our justices and bar examiners to pose for a photo, group photo at the stage. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. One last 1, 2, 3. Thank you very much to our bar examiners. But for justices, please stay on stage for our group on-bank photo. Thank you, our bar examiners. Photo lang, Justice. Walang ano doon, walang hawakan. Dito lang. All right, and that concludes our program this afternoon. Congratulations to our new lawyers. See you at the oath-taking on February 6 at the Philippine Arena. Meanwhile, those joining us online and those who wish to proceed to the Supreme Court premises, gates will still be open until 6 p.m. Thank you for joining us today. Good afternoon.